Thank you, Honourable Speaker, and I'd like to thank the Honourable Member for the question on the ICT development in Fiji, particularly with regard to the North. But I guess, Honourable Speaker, before I do that, in way of context, perhaps in the last 2 years of the current People's Coalition government, under the leadership of the Honourable Prime Minister, you would have been seeing a transition that's happening in the ICT space. That we are trying to rapidly evolve to capture the advancements in digital technology and also, as a result, enhance connectivity services to our people, Honourable Speaker. Just this Saturday, the Honourable Prime Minister did the groundbreaking ceremony, Honourable Speaker, for one of the biggest ICT developments in my view, sir, probably one of the most significant historical events in Fiji in the recent past, when he performed the groundbreaking of the Google data center. Google is in Fiji, Honourable Speaker. And with this, it signals a new dawn in terms of how ICT industry will be conducted in Fiji. It will also signal to the rest of the world that one of the largest companies, tech companies in the world, has come to our shores. And will certainly attract with it some investment as well. Honourable Speaker, with regard to the developments, certainly with regard to the northern developments, as it were, the Telecom had actually forged a partnership with the Kordia, which is a New Zealand state-owned enterprise, which is a major provider of television, radio broadcasting facilities and communication networks, Honourable Speaker. The partnership is aimed at implementing Telecom's Northern Fibre Connectivity project. It aims to extend the connectivity between Lambasa onward to Senganga and then onward to Sabu to the submarine cable landing station. And it is scheduled for completion in January 2025, or at least the first quarter of 2025. It is about 75% complete, according to Telecom, so it is tracking well, Honourable Speaker. Under the partnership, Kordia is supplying transmission equipment that will be used to deliver high-capacity fibre links between Sabsabu and Lambasa. This high-capacity fibre link will reduce dependency on microwave links between Sabsabu and Lambasa, which are, of course, limited in capacity and susceptible to disruptions during adverse weather. Honourable Speaker, a key feature of this project is its integration with Fiji's existing telecommunications infrastructure. The fibre link between Lambasa and Sabsabu will utilize Fiji's domestic subsea cable, which connects Manoa to Viti via the Tui-Samoa cable. This will further strengthen the national digital backbone of our country and create seamless network across the two main islands. And if you have been hearing, sir, the explanations by the learned Deputy Prime Minister for Tourism and Civil Aviation, Honourable Ngavoka, about the initiatives in the north, what is being done through Telecom will set up Vanuatu well in the years to come. It is, of course, Honourable Speaker, a game changer for Vanuatu and for Telecom, and it allows them to leverage technology into the north, and it won't be too long, sir, when we'll start seeing BPOs open up in the north, I suspect, and other ICT industries brought closer to the northern division. In my view, sir, that is a welcome development, and as most of us believe in on this side of the house, Vanuatu will be the next economic frontier for Fiji, Honourable Speaker. I thank you, sir.
Thank you, Deputy Prime Minister, Honourable Kamikamica.